1. So here's the different drawing tools, drawing materials, and drawing instruments. So I will discuss these each or one by one. But before that, I will gonna read the three items, the A, B, and C. The A, how should the item be stored to keep in good condition? The B, what is the proper way to clean and maintain the item? And lastly, the C, what are some common problems or issues that can be arise with the item and how can they be addressed? So the first one was the pencils. So a pencil is a basic writing tool made of wood and graphite used for writing, sketching, and drawing. So the first one of the three items is keep in a pencil case or holder to prevent them from breaking. So the B is cleaning and maintenance. So wipe off the dirt or dust with the dry clothes and use a sharpener carefully to keep the pencil tip pointed but not too thin to avoid breaking. And the C is common problems or solutions. So the problem is lead breaks easily. So this is the lead, and the solution of that is avoid wrapping and pressing too hard when writing. So the next ones or the second one is pens. So a pen is a writing instrument that uses ink. So the three items, how to avoid it. So the A is the storage. Keep pens capped and upright so the ink doesn't dry out. And the B is cleaning and maintenance. So wipe the ink. Here's the ink as what you see and stains thus regularly. So the C is common problems and solutions. So the problem of that was the ink dries out or doesn't flow. And the solution of that is store capped and use regularly. So the next one is a ruler. So a ruler is a measuring tools used draw straight lines and measures lengths in centimeters or inches. So the three items is a storage. Store the ruler flat in a drawer or a pencil case. So the B is cleaning and maintenance. Clean the surface here side by side with a soft cloth to remove pencil marks or dust. And the C is the common problems and solutions. So the problem is the ruler cracks or bends. So here sometimes the ruler was cracking if and bends. So the solution of that was store it properly and don't apply pressure. So the fourth one was the compass. So a compass is a drawing tool used in a geometry to draw circles or arcs and to measure distance between points. So this is the compass. Three items is the first or the A was store in a protective case or box to prevent bending the needle. Here's the needle and damaging the legs. So the B is cleaning and maintenance. So wipe the metal parts. Here's the metal part to remove dirt and moisture. And the C is the common problems and solutions. The problems is loose hinge or legs. So the both of this. And the solution of that is tighten the screw and gentle. The fifth is the protractors. A protractor is a semicircular or circular measuring tools in use in geometry to measure or draw angles or accurately. So the three items, the A is the storage. Keep flat in folder or pencil case to avoid cracking or scratching. The B is cleaning and maintenance. Wipe gently with a clean, dry cloth to remove dust and pencil marks. And the C is common problems and solutions. The problem was the scratches or cracks, and the solution of that was handle with care and don't break it. So the sixth ones was the scissors. So scissors are cutting tools made of two blades. This one used for cutting paper, fabric, and another materials. And the three items was the first one was the storage. Keep scissors in a pouch or box with the blade closed. So close. The B is cleaning and maintenance. Wipe blades after each uses to remove glue or dirt. The C is common problems and solutions. The problem is blade becomes dull, and the solution of that, sharpen with needed or used only for paper, not hard materials. So the seven was the sharpener. A sharpener is a small tool used to sharpen pencils by shaving off the wood around the lead. So the three items, the first or the A was storage. Store in a dry place and keep it inside a pencil case to protect the blade. So the B is cleaning and maintenance. Empty pencil shavings regularly and clean the blade area using a brush or cotton swab solutions. The problem is the blade becomes dull, and the solution of that was replace a sharpener or blade. And the last one was the eraser. An eraser is a soft rubber material used to remove pencil marks from papers. So the three items is the first or A, storage. Keep the eraser in a clean, dry place inside a pencil case to prevent it from collecting dust or dirt. And the B is cleaning and maintenance. Rub it gently on a scarf paper to clean its surface, remove dark or dirty parts. And the C is the common problems and solutions. The problem of that the eraser will get dirty and smudges paper. So the solution is trim or clean the dirty layer before using it.